Hey everybody, Chelsea down at Mayor Paint and Hardware today. It's a beautiful day out here, a little windy, but I'm still out here doing stuff. We're getting the front of the building ready for Memorial Day. We got our bunting out, we have our flags, we have all that stuff here. Come down, get ready for Memorial Day. But my favorite thing is we're doing the plants today. My favorite day of the year. A couple things I want to talk about. I store my pots for the season. We put them in storage. This particular plant is a bulb in here, so this thing comes back every year. And unfortunately, this pot had a little friend in here and he ate my bulbs. So we have a couple new products this year. This is people safe, pet safe, and plant safe. It's all organic ingredients, very friendly. Everybody's all about the organic. I love using organic stuff. We have an all-purpose one in that. I also have a deer and rabbit repellent in the same company. Once again, all organic. Another thing that's new, I have a tick and mosquito spray. So you would spray this on your lawn, guys. You treat your whole lawn with it. It is organic. It's also bee friendly, which is something that, a lot of people are concerned about nowadays. I love my plants. I gotta have my bees to keep my plants happy. So this is a really good product, guys. Come down and get this stuff. I have a lot of pots out here that I do. So when I get ready to do all my plants, I like to take my little pots and I just set them in here how I want to arrange everything before I plant stuff. That way I can make sure I'm happy with the way that it looks. I'm not moving stuff around a lot. And I just, I don't know, that's the way I like to do it. So I'm a little OCD. I like the pattern. Some people aren't like that, but me, I gotta have a pattern here. We walk down here, ton more pots. It's amazing, how beautiful this stuff makes the front of the building look. I'm gonna show you guys a couple tips and tricks for this one. I came out here this morning, I loosened all this soil up in here so it's nice and loose. Nice, good, loose soil. And I'll show you how I'm gonna throw a couple things in here, guys. Just gonna pop this out of its pot that it came in. I like to loosen the roots up a little bit before I put it in there. That gives it a chance to spread around and really get rooted good in my pot. It's very windy out front here, so I wanna make sure this stuff really takes and doesn't blow out. Put it in there. We're just gonna push the dirt over. I have a little Dahlia. I picked a couple different plants this year. I was having some issues in the past. I wasn't picking things that were tall enough. You have to think about how tall your plants are gonna grow, and when you put them next to each other, you sometimes lose stuff. Last year I had geraniums in here and they don't get very tall and they just got lost because my stuff got so big around it. I have a little Coleus that I'm gonna put in there. Once again, I just loosen my roots up a little bit when I pull it out of its pot. And then we're gonna put one more in here on the other side. Push them in good because it is windy out here, guys. I don't want this stuff to just blow away after I put it in here. Just like that. And then the last thing that I would do, which I have over here, I like to use this Miracle-Gro shake and feed. Very simple. I apply it a few times a year out here. Just come out, you shake it in, and then water. It's not something you have to do every week. I just only have to do it a couple times a year. This is why I like this stuff. Water, Miracle-Gro, it's amazing what can happen. I hope everybody enjoys your day as much as me. Today's my favorite day, plant day. Hope to see everybody soon. Thank you.